Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope so you all are fine, good and enjoying the best conditions of your health. So dear ladies, today I am back again with another very stylish and amazing collection of summer wear crochet made top style design ideas. So in this video, you will be find out amazing styles, amazing designs of crochet made top designs, blouse designs for your summer wears. So if you love to wear crochet styles, if you love to wear crochet made top designs, blouse designs, so this video is going to be very useful and very helpful for you. In this video, you will be find out short top designs, tunic top designs, amazing styles, amazing designs. I love all these designs and I hope so that you will love these too. You may carry these top designs for your summer wears, for your daily work wears. Amazing neck designs, amazing sleeve designs of crochet made top styles. I hope so this video is going to be very useful and very helpful for you and you all are going to love these designs. So if you are loving these designs, so dear ladies and girls, please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives, and if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my notifications. So after getting my notifications, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video. How was these designs of crochet made top styles, blouse designs, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel. Which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you, tell me in the comment section. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content. So for more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, please do visit on my channel and check the other collection. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel. So you will be find out mother of the bride dresses, party wear dresses, crochet made dresses for ladies and girls, top designs, blouse designs, shoes collections, bags collections, so a lot of new ideas you will be find out on my channel, dear ladies and girls. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so those videos will also be useful and very helpful for you, so must visit on my channel. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support. Thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video, keep visiting on my channel. If you are loving these designs, so please dear ladies, dear girls, dear viewers, do share my video with your friends, with your relatives. I hope so this video is going to be very useful and very helpful. Don't forget to tell me in the comment section about this video, about your opinions. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies, dear girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves. Goodbye and please keep supporting me by sharing my video. Keep visiting on my channel and keep supporting me. Goodbye till the next video.